Welcome RPA Champions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to use AI and Microsoft Power Automate Desktop to automate an entire process. This process is going to be to post on YouTube videos a comment that is going to be AI generated. This comment is going to be insightful, it's going to provide some information, and it's also eventually going to lead people to your profile and also maybe stimulate a conversation. And also you can run this and leave it to run until infinity. Why? Because as long as the comment is different, YouTube allows you to create as many comments as you want. Therefore, good luck with this technology. Be careful of what you read online. It might be AI generated. Now, I'm super excited about showing you how to build this. I hope you are too. But before we jump into this, give yourself a high five because you are wanting to learn automation. Automation is a fundamental skill right now with AI being so democratized, and Microsoft Power Automate Desktop is a free technology available on all computers. Therefore, there is no excuse for you not to use it and become more productive. With all of this said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you are going to be missing out some great content if you don't subscribe right now. With this said, without further ado, let's jump into this video and let me show you how to build this amazing automation. Let's go. To build this process in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, it is going to be extremely easy. For something so complex, it took me more or less 15 minutes to put this together. It is altogether 22 actions. It can be done much better. We can have exception handling and so on. And we can do, as we can do in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop and RPA, the same thing in many other ways. Why? Because this basically replicates all of the steps that we can do, and we can do those steps in different ways. Let me just walk you through this process. The first step is going to be to collect some input from the user. So we're going to get the link to the playlist that we want to first scrape. This link is going to be inserted inside of a new action that is going to be launch new Chrome. This is going to open a Chrome window. From this Chrome window, we are going to extract the URLs from the page of all of the URLs that are available for the playlist. After that, we're going to put all of this information inside of this variable right here, output data, and then we're going to create a for each loop that is going to do all of the magic, that is to extract the title of the video and then like the video and comment on the video. Just very quickly, the next action is going to be to go to the web page. And then once we go to the web page, it's going to be the current item, because here we have extracted the URLs from all of the video links. We are going to click on the like button. After that, we're going to wait for 3 seconds. We're going to scroll down with sending keys. I found that that works the best. And then we're going to click on the comment where we're going to leave a comment. We are going to also get the details of the video. We are also going to set a new variable. Now this variable is going to basically be our prompt. Write a YouTube comment for a video title, and this inner text is going to be the title of our video that is insightful, practical, and encouraging. Also incorporate my own views as the RPA champion who's on a mission to teach how to automate business processes. Now we can change this prompt however we want so that we can get different kinds of videos. These are going to be the prompt that is going to be sent to ChatGPT to generate a response. The response that is going to be generated is going to be put inside of the comment, and then we're going to basically click on comment and do this until infinity for all of the playlists that we want. After this, we're going to make a invoke web service. Keep in mind that this API is going to be no more valid after I'm finished with this video. In here, we are going to make a call to ChatGPT. So we're going to do a post request, and we're going to set up the custom headers, and inside of the request body we're going to also have the role of ChatGPT. So you are a senior content writer on a mission to write SEO optimized engaging content with a simple and millennial tone of voice. Do not use any emojis inside of the content. Now after that, we insert our prompt inside of here, and we also set some configuration parameters such as the temperature. If we have the temperature relatively high, we're going to get creative content that can change from our prompt, therefore maybe hallucinate. But if we keep it at 0.1, we're going to get content that is going to be very relevant and consistent with our prompt. Now, knowing how to set up your prompt is going to be a great part of the success of this automation, because if you set up a bad prompt, the comments are going to be bad, indifferent if you're using Microsoft Power Automate Desktop or whatever tool. So do spend a little bit of time on creating a great prompt. Now, also, if you're setting this up, make sure that you disable encounter request body so that it is going to work. I have made a video about how to connect custom to ChatGPT, so if you want to learn more about that, the link is going to be down in the description or up above. After that, what we are going to do is we need to get the response of this and just basically post this response. Now, there are a couple of steps to do this. The first step is going to set up a variable and put the response from the server inside of this variable. If we take a look at the response of a server, it is just a long text. It's just a long text inside of that looks like a JSON. So if we look inside of the web service, and in here we see that this is a text value, but it looks like a JSON. So what we can do with this, we can convert it into a JSON. But first we're going to set it as a variable, write this to a JSON file, and then use PowerShell to parse the output and get the response that we want from the assistant. Now, this output right here, if we take a look at it, so this is going to be the comment that I'm going to be pasting on the video that has been generated in the previous run. After that, we're going to send the keys inside of the comment and then click on the comment action and comment on our video. After that, the loop is going to end and it's going to start over and over again. I'm going to put this code down below and you can download this code, but make sure that to fine-tune a couple of things before you make it run. You're going to definitely need to fine-tune the different selectors if the automation breaks. Why? Because your version of YouTube might be slightly different due to some extensions or some different elements on the screen that you might have. Therefore, you might have to configure the different selectors. I have also made different videos on how to fine-tune your selectors, so make sure that you check out those as well. I hope that this has been insightful. If you would like me to make a more detailed video, how we go step by step through creating this process and just starting from a blank Canva, do leave me some comments down below and I will answer your questions or help you out with a video. There is also a Discord channel where you can connect and ask for support if you have any questions or share ideas about videos. One more super cool thing. Now, if you have stayed with me until the end, you are probably going to be interested in a great course that I'm going to be making. On Maven, I'm creating a Microsoft Power Automate and AI course. This course is going to be dedicated to creating all kinds of automations using ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral, AI, Whisper, and so on. There's going to be some really cool use cases and examples, and you're going to truly understand and really understand how to use Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, create agents, and automate basically your business processes, becoming more productive, more efficient, saving resources, and also contributing to job displacement, basically, because all of these actions and tasks that we go and automate, they are not replacing people, but they're just replacing different tasks that different people do. So without further ado, I highly recommend this course. Also, if you have any questions regarding this video, do leave them down below. And remember, if you want the code, check out the Discord community. I will paste the code there or in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.